Have you ever wondered if there's a secret way to profit from something most people fear? What if I told you that there's an unconventional path that can turn debt, typically viewed with dread, into a powerful tool for financial growth? Welcome to Wealthway, where we're about to unveil an eye-opening journey that will challenge your perceptions and equip you with smart strategies. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of debt, and you won't believe the untapped potential that lies within. So, fasten your seatbelts because this is a financial adventure you don't want to miss. But before we begin, hit that subscribe button and join our community to ensure you never miss our latest videos, packed with valuable insights and practical tips to level up your financial game. To profit from debt, you must first understand what debt is and how to manage it. Debt often gets a bad rap, associated with stress, financial worries, and sleepless nights. But not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Understanding and controlling debt is crucial. It's about making informed judgments and properly utilizing debt. It's similar to sailing a ship in rough seas. You need to be a strong captain who knows how to navigate and lead the ship into calmer financial waters. So, why bother with debt? Can't you live debt-free? While living debt-free sounds fantastic, sometimes leveraging debt can open doors and opportunities that would otherwise be out of reach. Responsible debt management is key, not maxing out credit cards or taking on more debt than you can handle. Understanding the different types of debt can help you make informed decisions. There's secured debt, backed by collateral like a car loan or a mortgage, and unsecured debt, which doesn't require collateral such as credit card debt or personal loans. Prioritize your payments. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first to save money on interest payments and redirect those funds towards other financial goals. Your credit score plays a significant role in your ability to borrow money, access lower interest rates, and better loan terms. It's like having a golden ticket that opens doors to better financial opportunities. Let's debunk the negative perceptions surrounding debt. Debt has often gotten a bad reputation, often conjuring images of financial distress and endless interest payments. But not all debt is created equal. Real estate investing can be an excellent form of good debt when you buy property. By leveraging the bank's money to acquire an appreciating asset, you can generate a passive income stream that covers your mortgage payments and leaves you with extra cash in your pocket. The negative perception of debt is a myth. Debt can be a stepping stone to financial success if you approach it with knowledge, discipline, and a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Strategy 1. Tax optimization. Now, let's talk about tax optimization. It's about minimizing your tax liability legally. Tax-efficient investment vehicles can be game changers, such as retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs, which offer tax advantages like tax-deferred growth or even tax-free withdrawals in some cases. By maximizing your contributions to these accounts, you can reduce your taxable income and enjoy potential tax savings. Timing your investment sales strategically and taking advantage of lower capital gains rates can optimize your tax burden. Don't overlook deductions and credits related to education, home ownership, or energy-efficient home improvements. They can save you money. Consider consulting with a qualified tax professional to identify opportunities for tax optimization specific to your unique financial situation. Strategy 2. Good debt versus bad debt. Understanding the concept of good debt versus bad debt is akin to having a financial compass guiding you through the treacherous waters of borrowing and spending. Good debt is the strategic investment in your financial future, a calculated move that has the power to boost your net worth, generate additional income, or pave the way for brighter prospects. It's like planting seeds that will grow into a flourishing garden of financial abundance. On the other hand, bad debt lurks in the shadows, slowly chipping away at your financial health. It's a liability that erodes your net worth, making every financial decision feel like an uphill battle. The key to financial success is to differentiate between these two and channel your resources wisely. Take car loans for instance. They often occupy a gray area in the good debt versus bad debt debate. While cars typically depreciate in value, they can also be essential for transportation to work or running a business. The pivotal question here is, can you comfortably manage the monthly payment? And more importantly, is the vehicle a practical necessity or a luxury? Now, let's talk about mortgages, traditionally considered a poster child for good debt. However, recent real estate trends have shown that home ownership doesn't guarantee financial returns. It might be more prudent to rent and invest your money elsewhere. The takeaway here is that not all debts are created equal, and it's essential to evaluate your options and consider the long-term financial implications. It's about making informed choices that align with your financial goals. Strategy 3. The 30% rule. Imagine having a financial GPS that keeps you on the right path to financial success. That's precisely what the 30% rule is, a game-changing strategy that empowers you to leverage debt while ensuring you stay on the path to financial prosperity. Picture a scenario where you have a steady income and you're eager to use debt as a tool to grow your wealth. The 30% rule is your guiding star, telling you precisely how much debt you can comfortably handle while still making significant financial strides. It's about finding that perfect balance between managing your financial obligations and creating space for wealth creation. By adhering to this rule, you ensure that no more than 30% of your monthly income goes towards servicing your debts. This strategic allocation leaves you with the remaining 70% to cover living expenses, build a robust emergency fund, and seize investment opportunities that have the potential to yield significant returns. The beauty of the 30% rule is its versatility. It's not about being debt-free, but about being debt-smart. It allows you to navigate your financial ship through stormy seas, securing your financial future while simultaneously managing your current obligations. This rule isn't a guaranteed recipe for success, but it's a valuable guideline that, when employed wisely, can maximize your chances of turning debt into profit. Strategy 4. Leveraging opportunity cost. The wealthy use the concept of opportunity cost to their advantage. It's all about considering what you could gain or lose when choosing between different options. By not fully emptying your savings on a house, you can use the leftover cash to invest in assets that yield higher returns. This strategy allows your money to work for you, generating passive income and increasing your net worth while your house appreciates in value slowly. Evaluate the opportunity cost of every financial decision you make and consider using this tactic to grow your wealth. As we conclude this journey through the labyrinth of wealth-building strategies, I hope you've discovered that there's more to debt and financial management than meets the eye. Debt is not just a chain that binds you, but a tool you can wield to carve your path to prosperity. It's about making smart decisions, informed judgments, and creating a financial plan that sets you on a course for success. The road to wealth may not always be smooth, but with knowledge, determination, and these wealth-building strategies, it's a path worth traveling. It's your financial future, and it's in your hands. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about making money work for you. If you found this video enlightening and valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of wealth seekers. Our mission is to provide you with the insights and tips you need to level up your financial game and make the most out of your journey to financial success. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and here's to a future filled with financial prosperity and wealth beyond your wildest dreams. Safe travels!